All right, hi guys. So I am coming on to do this video. I've gotten so many requests to show this one particular hair topper that I wanted to come on and show you guys just how I install it and how it looks in the back. So I have a hair topper, a custom hair topper, and it is the golden hair topper. And I have it here on my mannequin. And so the golden hair topper is the topper that has the closure piece in the front, and it gives ladies a little bit more flexibility with how they can wear their hair. You can part your hair, you can wear it going back away from your forehead, and it gives you the coverage in the top, and it also gives you some flexibility with your hairline. So I had a lot of ladies send me messages in my inbox asking me if I could show what the back of the topper looks like. And so I wanted to do a quick video so I can demonstrate how to apply or install the topper, and then show you the back and what the back of the head looks like with the topper on. Please don't judge me. I have gray hair coming in around the edges, and then I did not braid my hair down. I just kind of pulled it all up into one braid and kind of set it up here so that I can just install the topper and just show you how I apply my topper and then what it looks like from the back. So I need some work done. So anyways, so I'm going to just take it off of the mannequin, and then I'm going to apply it or install it on my hair. I don't like to say install because typically that means you're using some type of adhesive or bonding material. I'm not using adhesive or bonding material. I'm just gonna put it in place, snap the wig clips, and kind of blend it so you can see what the back of the topper looks like on my head. And like I said, I need a relaxer, and I also need some color, so don't hold it against me. So I'm just gonna take it off of the mannequin here, and then I'm going to put it on my head. Just so you can get a sense of where it should be placed or what it looks like in the back. All right, so I'm going to just open up the wig clips. All right. Wow. I installed this wig clip backwards. That is so crazy. But anyway, so I'm going to open the wig clips up, and I'm going to place the topper on my head. And I don't have my hair braided, which you probably want to have so that you can comfortably clip the wig clips into place around the perimeter of your head. So my little one braid in the top is kind of thick, so that clip didn't really want to go under. And so here is, now I know why in the front this part wouldn't stay down, because I have the wig clip sewn in backwards. That is so weird. Anyways, so I have it in place, and you can see, so if you have if your closure of course is a little off in color, you can add some foundation here to kind of blend it. But I have it clipped into place, and you can see this lifting here because I don't have any clips here. But typically in my golden topper, I add clips right here so that you can clip that down to your hair on the sides. So far we have it on. And so now I'm going to show you how to blend. All right, so I have the golden topper installed or applied. So now I'm going to just take my comb and And before I install the topper while it was on the mannequin's head, I did go and curl it with the flat iron. So I bumped around the hair, the topper, and kind of bumped the end so that I wouldn't have to do that once I applied it. So I'm just holding this down. So what you can do here is, if you want to use some adhesive, you can use the lace frontal hair strips. You can use Got To Be gel or hair freezing spray here. You can use bonding glue. You can use whatever you want, but I don't use it because I'm not going to keep this on. So if you're going to take the topper off at night, you may not want to use something that's going to be super hard to remove. So I'm not using anything. This is just a demo for you guys what it looks like. So but if you have your adhesive, then this part won't move. It's only moving because, one, I don't have clips here, which I would typically have in the topper, and two, I'm not using adhesive. So I'm just trying to improvise just for the sake of this demonstration. Alright, so I'm just going around and I'm gonna kind of blend this, create my style here. It's really annoying me now that I don't have a clip right there. But I'm just gonna blend, kind of go around the topper. Like I said, I bumped it earlier. So now I'm just blending. I trimmed it a little bit too. It was a little bit longer. And so with the closure, you can have it on the side, you can have it in the middle. The part that is, you can have it in the middle, and you can have it on the other side. So you can kind of play around with that. If you want to pull out some baby hairs on the closure, you can do that too. Alright, so I used a little bit of Got To Be freeze spray, hair spray, to kind of hold this piece down because I wasn't getting very far with not having clips here and not using some type of adhesive. So I did spray a little bit of Got To Be glue hairspray here just to hold it in place. And so I've gone around the topper just to kind of try to blend it in with my hair. And so as you can see on the sides are coming down far enough to cover my side so you don't see my actual hair underneath. So that's how the blending helps a bit. So if the topper comes a little bit longer in length than your hair, you can kind of cover it so that it blends in perfectly and covers your hair around the sides. And so now I'm just going to, I have not seen the back, but I'm going to turn around so you can see the back of my hair and kind of see how you go about blending the back of the topper to kind of blend with your hair. So I'm going to turn around in a second and you can see the back. So using that Got To Be spray kind of gave me a little bit of stability here since I don't have clips on either side of my topper. So use a little bit of Got To Be, it held it in place, and so now it's not moving. So now I'm just going to do a spin and let you see the back, and then we can try to blend the back with the topper. All right, so I'm going to spin around so you can see the back of the topper. And hopefully you can see, because I can't see it. So you can see how the topper is far enough down that it can kind of cover the crown area. It comes down below, like right to that little bone right underneath the crown in the back, occipital bone. And so just take the comb and just kind of style it however you want. I have a clip right here, and so the clip goes underneath the hair at the top here, or if you have enough hair around the edges, kind of clip it under so that it can stay in place and you can blend the back, finger styling, or you can use the styling comb like I have here. So hopefully you can see that. And then from the side, and then this side. So I hope you were able to see that. And then again, I'll spin again because I don't know what my camera was doing. So you can see here our blending, finger blending, or you can use the comb again to kind of blend your hair in with the hair topper. Side view, side view. All right. All right, and so my got to be glue is lifting a little bit here because I was pulling back here. So I hope you were able to see how to install and blend your golden hair topper. All right, and so we have, if I had more adhesive, I could hold this thing in place, but like I said, you can comb it, style it so you can wear it back away from your face, and you can kind of see the hairline there with the little baby hair, so you can kind of style it that way. Or if you want to wear your side part, you can. And see, I don't have the adhesive, so if I had adhesive on it, it would stay in place, and then I can wear it away from my face. But I don't have it on there, but you get the gist of it. Like they come with clips here, and then you have the 4x4 top across the front, so you have 4 inches across the top, so you can comb it back, you can section it on the left side or the right side, and then style it the way you like to style it. So all right, if you have any questions, let me know. This is the golden hair topper, and I'm Tina with Styles on Top, so hope to hear from you soon.